Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. I normally have multiple videos per day, sharing anywhere from 3 to 5 different work from home job leads every day. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. And of course, the links to all the pages I share in my videos are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead comes from the company Cox Automotive. Now, they have close to 2,000 reviews on Glassdoor, and they have a high rating as a good company to work for with a 4.1 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a technical customer care specialist. Now, this is a full-time daytime position. It is remote within the United States. This is going to be a customer service call center type position, but they are going to offer paid training. They are offering a $1,500 sign-on bonus after completion of 90 days employment. So if you make it through your first 90 days or 3 months, you get an extra $1,500 in addition to your regular pay. They're offering paid training that's going to begin on August 21st of 2023. So if you're interested in this position, get those applications in. They're open Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, and on Saturday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. They have multiple different shifts that are listed in the job description. But they're basically looking for somebody to answer those phones and be technical support specialist representing VIN Solutions in the customer communications through phone and email to help resolve customer technical issues. You're going to demonstrate strong interpersonal and communication skills. You're going to be personally responsible, accountable for those customers, and be a team player. You'll troubleshoot difficult problems with either the customer's configuration, their software, or the vendor's integration points. You'll provide one-on-one training to new and existing customers as needed. While working on those support tickets, you'll be identifying and resolving issues that prevent users from utilizing the software. You'll do proper follow-up when a problem has not been resolved to make sure that you get it resolved. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They're looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or GED, and 2 years or less of experience is what they accept. You need to be flexible to work any one of those different shifts, have great communication skills, and great attention to detail. Now, pay for this position is always dependent on experience and location, sometimes other factors. Pay is anywhere from $15.67 an hour all the way up to $23.56 an hour. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.